This is the Prism by Coachman 2150 LE. It sits on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. As you see, you'll have one slide out there off to the right that isn't out at the moment. This is also a diesel engine. The back side of it. Alright, you'll notice your electric awning up there. Here's your ladder. Nice window out there. There's your door to your storage and your backup camera. Alright, as we move inside, you'll notice a nice big dinette. This whole section slides out. Alright, up here you'll see extra sleeping space with the LCD TV screen that comes out. Here you have a nice big area for your driving. There's your backup camera screen. AC. Alright, moving over to the kitchen, you'll have a single bowl sink. Your oven, or rather your microwave and oven down here. Your burner stove, there's no oven, but there's drawers under there. And here's your double door fridge with storage under there as well. It's your bed area, the privacy curtain that goes directly across there. It's your sink, your medicine cabinet. Moving on into the bathroom, you'll notice a 4-flush toilet with a enclosed shower, a sliding door shower, and there's your fan to keep it ventilated, and another storage area right there. Alright, let's get a better look of this all around. Nice wood-like floors. Alright, thank you for watching.